Hi, this is Scott from the Sound of Tri-State in the Dover location with another unboxing. This time it's going to be for the Advent ADVBSD30, and inside the box we're going to have our user guide and our installation guide, and then we're going to have our series of parts which involve the two sensors that go behind the bumper. Then there's a main harness that plugs into the actual brain, and then two harnesses that will go for the sensors themselves. On the pillars, there's going to be these two pieces that light up when there's something in your blind spot, one in each pillar. There'll be a GPS antenna for speed of the vehicle to be calibrated, and then there is an actual speaker that gives you a tone notification when something's in your blind spot. Along with the sensors, there's a series of brackets that are designed for, depending on the curve of the bumper, this will give you the position of the sensor to be flat behind the bumper. And if you can't use the plastic pieces to mount the sensors, then you can use these on the frame of the car to get the position, which will still go behind the bumper. You won't see them. It's just this is an additional way to be able to mount the sensors if you can't use the plastic ones. And then the last piece that we have is an actual gauge to be able to point the sensors in the proper direction to make sure that they pick up properly. And other than that, that's the last that we have for this unboxing. When it senses somebody in your blind spot, and you turn the turn signal on, it'll start beeping. But if you don't turn, it'll just go solid, just to give you an acknowledgement that something's there. And for now, that's all we have on our unboxing. We will have some additional videos coming soon. So until then, we'll see you then.